Now let's go ahead and take your eyeshadow. What eyeshadow do you have there?
This one, Cheesy Sunset.
So let's set that aside, and then let's take all your eyeshadow brushes so we can determine which brushes we need for the session. So you're gonna need your detailing brushes. These are usually small brushes that look like this or this. And then all of your blending brushes that look like this. For monolids, no, because you have a limited lid space, we're going to create a base that is, we don't usually, this is not how we usually do it for like almond eyes or round eyes like mine, no? For monolids, we're gonna start with your shimmer. So remember the brush that you showed me kanina, the one that looks like this, yung puti. Okay, mine's dirty, so it's not puti. Go get yours. And then what you want to do is you want to take one of the shimmers on your palette. So I will be taking this one so that you can see it properly, no?
Yeah. Mine will be this one, I would guess.
Yes, tama. So you take a little bit and then make sure, assuming that you're already wearing your base makeup, you want to make sure na you're not adding a lot para it doesn't go to your face, okay? Pero since you're not wearing anything, sige lang. Whenever you're picking up eyeshadow, you always want to tap off the excess on a hard surface so that any fallout will come off. And then what you want to do is you just want to apply it all over. So I start at the center, the sides, and I'm basically creating a shimmery base. And the intensity of the base will depend on you. You can do a really shimmery base. You can do something more subtle. So as you can see, I'm really exceeding the fold of my eye. So you also want to exceed yours a little bit. Tasan mo siya ng konti. Lampas dito sa parang naka-indent dyan in between your eyeball and your crease.
Basta this part, this whole part.
Yes. Okay, can we try it? When you're packing on pigment, make sure that your brush lands flat and not like this. Dapat pa ganyan siya.
So even when I get, ganun din dapat?
Yes.
Ah.
Next, for you to check if you did it right, you want to stare at your mirror and then go this way and that way to make sure that you see all the shimmers. You can see it?
Yeah.
So that's how you check if it's evenly dispersed. Next, you want to take your pencil brush. Your pencil brush looks like this. Now, you're going to take the darkest shade that you want to use for the day. Can I see your palette again? Go for the, let's do saffron. Para masaya.
This one is dark.
The darker shade, yes. Okay. So I'm going to take my pencil brush. I'm also going to take a darker shade. Let me see if I can find anything darker than what I have now. Okay. I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to pick it up. So a pencil brush will allow you to be more precise, no? Once you pick it up, just remember that you'll make more mistakes with the darker colors. So you want to make sure na you're really careful. Tap off the excess, and this is what you're gonna do. So you have an epicanthal fold, no? The one that, are you familiar with an epicanthal fold? It's when your skin on the inner corner of your eye overlaps your lashes. So you wanna be careful with that. So you will start here at the end. What you're going to do is you're gonna treat this as eyeliner. You're going to tap really near your lashes, and this is where you're gonna build on pigment first. Make sure that the pigment is even. Ibig sabihin, kung konti na lang yung natira sa brush mo, you're gonna have to add some more. Okay, add some more, tap off the excess, and then go inwards pa. Now, without any time to waste, no, we have to do it fast kasi eyeshadows will dry. So remove the excess from like a paper towel, and then you go ahead and just do circular motions doon sa edge so that you get rid of any harsh lines. When you're doing your eyeshadow, it helps if your mirror is here and you're looking up so that your lid is stretched.
This is correct.
That's correct. Okay.
And then
now blend it out. Mine is just a little thicker because my eyes are bigger para makita mo yung effect niya talaga.
In the area lang, the blend, not around, no?
Not around, yes. Parang you're just getting it because there's like a straight line, right? You're just gonna get rid of the straight line.
Okay.
You're just smudging it out. Oh my God, my face is so shiny. From my sunscreen. Ayan, very good. Okay, good job. Next, we're going to take a lighter shade. So you want to clean your pencil brush again on a paper towel. Now we're going to overlap the shades. So what we want to do is we want to make this lighter pa so that we can create a smoky effect. So we're going to take, kunyari ako, I'm going to take this shade, no? I'm gonna take this shade, tap off the excess, and then parang what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to smudge it over that line
Mhm.
so that it creates some sort of an ombre effect. Now, okay, very good. Now we're gonna tie everything together. Take your A-type brush, the one that's circular, that one, and then just blend it over at the edges. Para lang you can make sure that there are no harsh lines. Very good. Maybe for this part, you wanna do little circular motions para aakyat yung pigment ng color.
Mhm.
Can I see? Okay, good. The trick to monolids is investing on eyeliner and lashes more than eyeshadow. Ganun siya.
Mm.
So, if you want to amplify it, you can add glitters, like chunkier glitters. Let's try it with the eyeliner, no? So, I'll do it first. I'll demonstrate eyeliner for monolids on this eye. So, we're going to divide our eyes into 3. So, one of the features of a monolid eye is that you can see a lot of black and less of the white. Kasi nga, your eyes are small. They become tapered towards the end. So, this is what you're gonna do. So, you're gonna divide your eyes into 3.
Okay.
Okay. So the center one is the pupil.
Mhm.
That's the pupil. And then that's part 2. This is part 1 and then this is part 3. Okay?
Okay.
So imagine that you have a part 1, part 2, part 3. So for monolids, this is how you want to do it. So, di ba you have your eyeliner pen? So you start here at the center. I need a mirror. My God, eyeliner is a sport. Okay. I need a mirror. You're gonna start here on the inner corner, really near your lashes. So for part 1, the eyeliner is there. Nakadikit siya sa lashes mo. Dapat walang space na nakikita. That's part 1. Especially in your case. Because you have a fold, right? Wala talaga siyang skin na pupuntahan. For the second part, you wanna do here, skin pa rin tayo. Yan, naka-attach pa rin siya sa root ng lashes mo. Okay. Now, imagine a mountain. Oh, shucks. This is a really bad analogy, but whatever. So there's a mountain, right? So for part 1, we climbed up the mountain. For part 2, we walked on like a plateau.
Mhm.
And then for part 3, you're gonna ride a flying carpet and then just go straight. You're not gonna go down the mountain. Okay? Which means for part 3, this is where you will draw a straight line. So hindi na siya nakadikit sa balat. See? It
Yeah.
doesn't look good on my eye, but it will look good on yours. Okay. Now, important. Diba pag ganyan na siya? Ito siya, no, Sam? This is part 1, this is part 2, and then this is part 3. Now, you wanna attach part 3 to your eye. Yeah, attach mo na siya. So, dito ka mag-a-attach. You're gonna attach it from here, going downwards, so you can create your wing. Notice how I did not start at the very edge. I started here so that you have like a thin line that's left. So, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull it this way. There. See?
Mhm.
So when you open your eyes, you have a wing that goes straight. Okay? And then I fill it in. All right. So we're gonna try it, no, Sam? So you don't mess up your eyeshadow. Let's practice on the other eye.